What if Peter Sutcliffe, the Yorkshire Ripper, was never caught in that routine traffic stop in 1981? His killing spree wouldn't have ended at 13 victims. He could have become Britain's most prolific serial killer, with dozens more deaths across Yorkshire. The £4 million investigation would have continued draining police resources for years. That hoax tape that misled detectives for so long would never have been exposed as fake. Entire investigation methods would have developed completely differently. Criminal profiling in Britain would have taken a radically different path. Yorkshire communities would have lived in terror for decades, never finding closure. Women across the north would have remained prisoners in their own homes. Eventually, DNA technology in the 90s might have finally identified him, but by then, the body count could have reached record-breaking numbers. One simple traffic violation check changed everything. That single moment shaped the entire future of British criminal investigation.